Hello friends, I'm Renuka. Welcome back to my channel, and today we will decorate this box and then we're gonna put inside the album we created in the previous videos. You can see I'm gonna put the link below, or you can see. So this is the 49 by 49 market album kit, and this came with this box basically. And now it's time to decorate this box. So I just spray paint, and you can put gesso also to just little tone down the stuff, and I will show you how to do that. You can take any gesso. So this is, I'm using this one. This is the acrylic base gesso, and we're gonna put some, not much here, because there's so many things already going on. I just want to add a little bit of white. You can add more sprays, you can add acrylic spray, you can put directly the paper also. I have few paper left with me, so maybe I'll use that, but you can see that I'm just toning down the stuff. I'm not allowed to see the stuff here, what is in background, because the album is part of it, so it will match very nicely. But at the same time, I'm just giving little bit toned down effect, so it will not look that prominent also. And then after this, we will put the you can put the papers on by cutting them and adding. I'll show you. I have few strips left with me. I have this paper and this few strips left with me, so I'm planning to add not much. I think I'll do just half of it, or you can add the full paper also. I'm not planning to add full paper on it. I'm kind of searching for little bit different kind of stuff here, and then I can add this also. So I'm kind of putting whatever I have, and then I grab few photos which I want to put somewhere here. So what happens when you snap sometimes photo and you order in bulk, sometimes you don't like some part of it, so then you can add. So here I add the white mat behind it, but here I put that frame little bit extended, and you can see little bit outside also. So you know, that kind of will give the more fun option. Or you can put directly a big paper, like I have this black paper, and cover the full stuff. I will not do that. Again, what I can do is I can add more punches here around to get more stuff. I will show you the punches, like you can use these kind of punches, but I will not do that here because I want little bit toned down stuff, and I think that will look more elegant and good. You can use this side also. This is also looking good. So I'll just put down the papers. You can decorate this way any box you have. The thing is that I'm gonna put a little bit. The thing is that whenever you do like I'm pretty much sure that I want to use these, so I'm gonna put little bit. You can add these kind of stuff also when you don't have to use the full photos. Like I use part of this photo here, right, somewhere here, so I can use just this hands, and you can use and utilize your photos different way to decorate or do that kind of stuff. And I think here I'm pretty satisfied with the layout. I don't want to add any black. First of all, I thought I should add the black full, so I grabbed this sheet, and then you know I can add everything on that, and that is looking too much, popping out too much, I can say. So I just keep that idea, but it totally depends on your project and your taste, that how you want to do it. So I'm gonna put it here, and then I have few of these strips left which I can use, and these are the washi tapes came with the. So now I'll see where I want to put them. Okay, so maybe I'll put some of these here. Maybe one here. I really like that jagged look. It's not very prominent, but still it's there. And I can add few more on this side also, and maybe I'll change the direction this time. So I can add here and little bit up, and I really like that tear apart look. I don't mind. Then I'll put the photos, and then I have few embellishment which is left from the album we made. Most of the times whenever I do the photos, I just put the glue uh, only in the middle, so that way I can just, you know, adjust the stuff, tuck the stuff inside if I want to. Like here I have these few embellishment and I can use them, so I can just put them first and see if I like the clusters more. I don't have much left, but I'm gonna stick all that together to make it work. So after that, I'm just positioning the stuff and using the glue to put it there. I really like this glue. This is the Gorilla. No, this is like crafty glue from the Amazon. And I use mostly for the book bindings and other stuff. So whatever I left, I'm gonna use all of it, most of it. Like I don't have much left, but I'm planning to do. If you don't have these kits and if you have something other stuff going on, you can match the matching embellishment pack. You can buy that from the same paper crafting or same paper collection, I can say. And if you don't have that, you can just grab your die cuts and make some die cut out flowers out of it. That will also work. You can use the foam flowers also. You can see in my previous album making kits, like album making, I use all of them and mix and matching the stuff. This time I have already everything is very much coordinated to it, so I don't know, just put it down. As if you don't like to make this much interactive or this much like going through the box, you can just don't add the 3D element, just add the paper for the protective layer or something like that. I really have the stuff and I want to use it, so I'm just kind of putting that all around. And here I finish all my embellishment. I don't have any more embellishment with this kit now. And it's sometimes it's nice to finish all the stuff, because then you're gonna put it in the ziploc and then you want to like, you know, you want to use it in some the other way, and then it's lying around and making more and more stash in your craft room. So on the back, I just decided to use the plain paper. First of all, I thought I go ahead with the black, but then I thought no. So I'm kind of finding the matching paper, and these are the recollections paper. I mostly bought them from the Michaels, and then I just make a mark and then cut it down, because this box is kind of there. They put the two small notches, you can see. So I just put the plenty of glue to this pale olive green color cardstock, and then I'm gonna put it and stick it aside. I didn't record it, but I stamp Handmade by Renuka on one of these green papers also. I just want to cover it. If you don't have these papers, like you don't have the matching papers, you can just use any papers you have, like I'm here, and you can coordinate them. Now I have this paper, but it is not enough for both the sides of the thing, so I just stick it on the one side, and other side I will just you know, make another trick which will I show you, or you can use the washi tapes also. And here I'm just covering that 45/9 whatever they make the product thing. So I have only this much paper left from all of the things, so I just took out my old paper puncher, and I'm just using this. I have lots of this. I came US like before 15 years, and from that I started collecting all my stuff. Now I have lots of stuff, and these are very old stuff. This is from EK Success, but still it's working very nice. So sometimes occasionally I use them. So I just want to cover that, and that gonna covered very nicely rather than putting the plain strip. I think this will add a more detail. You can do the same thing for all over the four sides of your box, and you can decorate this box anyway. You don't have to be particularly this box with the kit. You can just grab any box, and if you want to decorate like this, you can use the photo boxes also to decorate like this. for your gifts or anything else. So now I'm quite happy with it, how it turned out. And then I have few washi tapes left, and that little strip of the paper, but everything else I use totally fully. So now you can put your album inside, and I'm just going through fastly to you show you how we did all of this. I'll make a walkthrough in the other video, so keep tuning and waiting for that. So until the next crafty project, have a crafty life. Bye bye, take care, and let me know how you like my take on this album, because I made these pages very differently, whatever they suggest, but I took other stuff and get more out of it. And I use this pocket trick also. You can watch all the other albums I made on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna link that uh, in the end of this video, so make sure to watch that also. Maybe you'll get more idea about it, so you can make as simple as like this, or as complicated like interactive albums, which I'm making the pages for my Disney album. So bye bye and take care.